Troubleshooting sleep and hibernate issues in Windows 11. If your computer does not go into sleep mode, does not wake up from sleep mode, or wakes up from sleep mode unexpectedly, there are several troubleshooting steps you can try to resolve the issue. Restart your computer to erase all information in the computer memory. If your computer fails to go into sleep mode or wake from sleep or hibernate mode, you should restart it to erase all information in the computer memory, which might restore functionality. Right-click the Windows icon. Select the Shutdown or Sign Out option, and then select Restart. If the issue persists after restarting the computer, continue to the next step. Check if any of the connected devices are causing the issue. Some devices can cause sleep or standby issues. Disconnect all non-essential connected devices such as printers, scanners, and USB drives. Restart the computer with only the original mouse, monitor, and keyboard connected. If the issue persists after all non-essential devices are disconnected, continue to the next step. Configure the device settings to put the computer into sleep mode or wake it from sleep mode. In Windows, search for and open Device Manager. In the list of devices, expand Keyboards. Then select the name of your keyboard. Right-click the name of your keyboard. Then click Properties. On the Power Management tab, select the Allow this device to wake this computer checkbox and click OK. Hardware devices such as wireless mouse, keyboards, network adapters, or high-definition audio can cause your computer to wake from sleep mode unexpectedly. If this is the case, remove the selection from Allow this device to wake this computer checkbox and click OK. If changing the hardware device settings in Device Manager does not resolve the issue, continue to the next step. Change the sleep and display settings in Windows Power Options. In Windows, search for and open Control Panel. Select Power Options. On the Choose or Customize a Power Plan screen, click Change Plan Settings. On the Change Settings for the Plan Balance screen, choose the display and sleep settings you want to use. To change more power settings, click Change Advanced Power Settings. On the Advanced Settings tab, expand the category you want to customize. Expand each setting you want to change, then choose the values you want to use. Click OK to save changes. If changing the power plan settings for your computer does not resolve the issue, continue to the next step. Find and install updates for your computer. You can use Windows Update and HP Support Assistant to update your Windows 11 computer. Refer to the Running a Windows 11 Update Support video on detailed instructions on how to install the application on your computer. Refer to the Using HP Support Assistant in Windows 11 Support video for more information on how to install updates via HP Support Assistant. If the issue persists after you install all updates, continue to the next step. Run the Windows Troubleshooter package to resolve sleep and hibernate issues. Change the Update Services setting from Automatic, Delayed Start, to Manual. In Windows, search for and open Services. In Services, double-click Background Intelligent Transfer Service. In the Startup Type drop-down menu, select Manual and click OK. Make sure you have the correct version of the MEI driver installed. Go to the HP Support website and let HP detect your computer or enter your computer's serial number, then click Submit. In the drop-down menu, select Windows 11 as your operating system. Then select the version of your operating system. Click Submit. In the Driver Chipset section, download and install the MEI driver. Download and run the Windows Show or Hide Updates Troubleshooter package. Download the Windows Troubleshooter package from the Microsoft Download Center page. Follow the on-screen prompts to run the Troubleshooter package, then select Hide Updates to the MEI driver. This will block your computer from automatically reinstalling or showing updates for version 2120 of the MEI driver. Use the previous steps to change Windows Update Services setting from manual to automatic, delayed start. Restart the computer to complete the process. Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages. And search our channel to find official HP support videos.